Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. To take a screenshot you can either use a 3 keys combination, Windows, Shift and S, and wait until the bar appears at the top of your screen. Alternatively, you can use a print screen button that is located in the top right corner of your keyboard. Then you're gonna have to make sure that you selected the Snip option right here, then select one of the 4 available options of a screenshot. For example, you can go with the rectangular one, and to take a rectangular screenshot you have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Once you do that, you will get a notification like this. If you open it, you're gonna see your screenshot, and to edit it you can use the quick tools at the top of your screen. You can also edit it in Paint by clicking right here, and to save changes click right here. Now the screenshot is already saved on your computer once you've taken it. To find it, open the File Explorer, then go to Pictures folder, go to Screenshots. Now let me sort screenshots by date, and the last screenshot is the one that you just took. Now, the next screenshot type is Windows screenshot. To take a Windows screenshot, you have to select this option, then tap on the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. The following screenshot mode is the full screen screenshot. Basically, all you have to do to take a full screen screenshot is click on this option, and it will take a screenshot of your full screen. And the last option is the Freeform screenshot, and it's just like a rectangular one, except for you can draw any shape on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Just like this. And the screenshot will look somewhat like this. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.